Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am making shrimp fried rice that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Serrano chili, red onion, garlic cloves, black pepper, ginger, sesame oil, eggs, salt, frozen veggies, soy sauce, fried chili oil, shrimp, bean sprouts, onions, and pre-cooked rice. Let's prepare this shrimp fried rice at home. So let's get started. My friends, I'm going to start with my scallions, and they have been nice washed and dried. I'm going to cut them right in the center. 4 cuts right in the center, and we're going to cut them in long pieces, about 2 to 3 inches long. Look at this. Okay, the edges we're not going to use. I'm going to reserve. I'm going to put it here in the little plate. I'm going to continue with my garlic cloves, which I'm going to start cutting and dicing in very small little pieces. We need them extra small so they could release all the flavor. Look at this. This is how we want it. I'm going to, put it on the side and continue with my ginger. The ginger has a little skin right on the outer part of the ginger. We're going to remove it slowly so that we don't take much of the pulp. And right now I'm going to go ahead and slice it, and then I'm going to dice it very finely, just the way I'm doing it now. This is done. I'm going to reserve it aside. I'm going to continue with my serrano chilies. The serrano chilies I'm going to cut right in little strips. If you don't want it that spicy, just take the seeds and the cord of the serrano chili off. Okay, I like spicy food, so I'm going to leave the seeds and the inner cord on the serrano chilies. Look at this. We want them nice and thinly sliced. Okay, I'm going to reserve it and put it on the side. I have my onion here, which I'm going to slice in juliennes, and then I'm just going to pull them apart just the way I'm doing it at this moment. We're going to separate every single slice. And then I'm going to reserve it and put it on my plate. This is done. I am going to continue breaking my eggs. I'm going to do one by one. You know that I always do one by one just to make sure that they come out fine. And I'm adding 4 eggs to my shrimp fried rice. We're going to go ahead, add it, and then we're going to just mix it, incorporate it completely. Look at this. This is done. Here, I want to show you the shrimp. I have deveined it, I have washed it, and it's nice and dry. I wanted to show you this part, and I am ready to go to the stove. I'm adding just a little bit of vegetable oil to my wok. This is a special pan. And here I'm going to start adding my scrambled eggs. You want to make sure that the wok is completely nice and hot, nice and bubbling. Right now, at this moment, we're going to start mixing it. We want to incorporate the egg completely. We want the egg to be nice and well done. It takes a couple minutes, my friends, but this shrimp fried rice comes out so delicious that I know that you are going to continue it making it at home. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. I have a plate here. I'm going to remove it to this plate. And what we're going to do, we're going to continue using the same pan, which is nice and hot. I'm adding a little bit more of vegetable oil. And here I'm going to start with my garlic and my ginger, which has been nicely diced. And we want to incorporate it completely and make sure that we cover the whole pan. We're going to mix at all times. Once you start smelling all those delicious flavors, that's when we're going to start adding our shrimp. The same thing, we're going to move it all around in the pan, making sure that the pan is completely nice and hot. Once it starts changing color, then that is the time to continue adding my pinch of salt, adding my black pepper. We are adding just a little bit of salt, okay? It's just 1 pinch of salt. We want to make sure that this shrimp fried rice doesn't come out salty. We don't want that because we are adding soy sauce towards the end. Right now, I'm adding all my serrano chilies and my onions, everything that I have diced here. We're going to incorporate it. We want to make sure that we incorporate everything together. We'll be mixing for just a little bit, but just make sure that everything is nice and incorporated. This plate will be assembled in a bit. We just got to be mixing and incorporating everything. Here, I'm going to add my bean sprouts. And you know that the bean sprouts cook very easily, okay? And it doesn't take too long before they start cooking completely. So I'm just going to incorporate it, mix it a couple times. And now I am ready to add my veggies, my frozen veggies. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to mix it around. We want to make sure that the veggies are all over the place. Everything is completely mixed. Once everything is completely mixed, what we are going to do is start adding our rice. Our rice has been pre-cooked. I cooked it 2 days ago, and I'm just adding it at this moment. We're going to mix it, incorporate it completely, make sure that the rice is everywhere and all the veggies are in everywhere. And this is going to taste amazing, my friends. I am ready to add my sesame oil. It's just 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to start adding it completely. The sesame oil smells amazing and it gives such a delicious flavor to this shrimp fried rice. Now at this moment, what I'm going to do, I'm going to incorporate our egg. Make sure that it's nice and cut in little tiny pieces. We are going to incorporate it. It's going to absorb all that sesame oil. And the last thing I'm going to add to this shrimp fried rice is going to be my soy sauce. And I'm only adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, this is going to give it such a delicious flavor, and it's going to just completely give it a totally different color. I'm going to mix it just for a little bit, and my friends, I can't wait to taste this delicious shrimp fried rice. It just takes a couple minutes, and this is gonna be done. My friends, I wanted to show you from close up how this looks. This looks delicious, amazing, and I can't wait to prepare my plate. Look at this, my friends. Let me flip it so you could see all this delicious shrimp. Everything in here. Oh my God, my house smells delicious with all these flavors, especially with the sesame oil. Look at this, my friends. Okay, I am ready to prepare my plate, and I am ready to start with my presentation. I'll see you back in a little bit. My friends, I am done with my shrimp fried rice. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. I have some red chili here. I'm gonna add it because you know I like spicy food. Oh my God. This house smells amazing. With all that sesame oil, garlic, ginger. Oh no, this is amazing. Excuse me. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The shrimp is so tender, so soft, and all those delicious flavors. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Definitely something delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Why not share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my shrimp fried rice. Bye-bye.